Well, we have a city in California that is making a stand against this 5G cell tower implementation that's really going to be stretched across the country from coast to coast. They plan to roll this out, and there has been a lot of health and safety concerns in connection to this. And now the city of Mill Valley, California, which is a wealthy city just north of San Francisco, voted unanimously to effectively halt the installation of these new small cell towers which carry the 5G technology. The city enacted its urgency ordinance after it received over 100 letters from concerned citizens expressing their worries over these new 5G towers. So, as TechCrunch reports, through the urgency ordinance, which allows the city council to immediately enact regulations that affect the health and safety of the community, the restrictions and prohibitions have put this into force immediately, and all future applications to hold these 5G towers, so to speak, it's all going to be put on hold. And I guess they're going to wait to see if they can get more test results back or something else to show them that this is not doing grave things to people's health. Now, there's talk of cancer and all kinds of other things that can be sparked from the 5G. And what I know from reading up and listening to experts in this field, one particular is a scientist that did studies and did these experiments with 5G. And what they come to find out is that when they had a 5G router in one experiment sitting on the other side of a wall from females that were on the other side, that it was damaging parts of their body in the womb, their reproductive organs. This was found by them, and he says this cannot be rolled out full scale. That was his warning, and he said he was just astonished to hear that out of nowhere they were going to drape this across the whole country. So that concerns me. And obviously, a lot of people up here, they have some information that the rest of the world's not getting, or the rest of the country's not getting, or realizing. And they're making moves. They're saying, we're not having it. So it just goes to show that if enough people make a stand, I say it all the time, you can get things done. Sitting on your tail doing nothing, you're not going to achieve anything. I'll continue to update more as things change, and I'll leave a link below. This has been Dabu7.